Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you a quick fix on limited access internet or no internet access in your Windows 10 or 11 computer. It is a really very common problem, but don't worry, it is fixable. So the very first step is just press window and R key together, or just do a right click in the start icon, and then click on run. So once the run window is open, type here ncpa.cpa. Once you have typed it, now click on OK. So this step will work for most of the people, and if it does not, then we will move the next step. Now here you need to make sure which internet you are using, which adapter you are using. So in my case I am using the Wi-Fi. In your case you might be using Ethernet or any other adapter. So I can see my Wi-Fi right here. I will just do a right click and I will click on disable this. Yes, so you just need to click on disable and it will be disabled, and once it is done, do a right click and click on enable, and your internet should work fine. If it does not work, then click on the search icon and type here CMD, and here you will find run as the administrator, and it will ask you to say yes. Then here you need to run a few commands, which is nets, then space winshop space reset space catalog, and now hit the enter button, and this will successfully reset your network adapter. And the same things for the second one as well. The command is nets space int space ipv4 space reset dot log, and there is another command, and the last one is net space space ip space reset. So this will reset the IP, and you just need to hit the enter button, and after doing all those three steps, you just need to reset the computer. Please check if you have successfully fixed limited access or no internet in Windows 10 or 11 computer. I hope this video really help for you. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section or contact with me. I will reply you. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.